Uh, Hello everyone, my name is Deepak Shah. I am practicing chartered accountant and this project is my capstone submission for the AICA level 2 program of ICAI. In this video, I will demonstrate a professional grade software called Forensic Flagger AI, which I have designed and developed using Python, AI models and forensic audit logic to detect human error, manipulation and risk in large financial datasets. See, in real life audits, whether statutory audit, internal audit, GST audit, or forensic audit, auditors deal with files containing hundreds or thousands or millions of transactions. These are usually SAP sales dump, vendor ledgers, payroll files, bank statement, etc. Now, we've got some of the tools readily available right now also. One is Excel, but it has data limitation, it has row number limitation, it has that engine limitation where a very large chunk of data cannot be processed at a very good speed, and the thing is you have to do it manually. There are some ready-made softwares like idea, and so again they are very costly and can do some sort of work. Now because of this we need to rely on some for if you go for a sampling technique, you have to rely on some random sampling, basic filters, intuitions and all that. So this is something which exposes us to human error or missed frauds. So that is the place where this kind of tools come into the picture. This is the tool which I have built to solve this kind of problems. Now it is basically having two things. One, it is data based forensic intelligence system, which means this is a software which is going to be installed on your desktop and not on the web. So whatever data you are putting here is not going to get shared over the internet. It is going to be your personal. So privacy issues definitely taken care in these things. It can read very large CSV and Excel files. It will automatically understand the structure of the data. It will also apply the forensic rules. It also has the place where you can tag. So for example, whenever you are uploading a data, and what column references what items, that can be explained very well. It works for SAP sales, payrolls, bank statements, any other financial data set. Before going through the software as such, I will just take you through what exactly I have used to build this software. So this architecture generally is not a simple script. It is having 5 elements. One is data engine, second is forensic rules engine, third is evidence engine, fourth is sampling engine, and fifth is the AI layer, where in a very simplistic manner you will get a report kind of thing, that what does the attached file says. The technology used is Python for core engine, because this is a offline tool. It clearly uses Python in the backend and pandas and numpy for the library for processing high volume data. Now why this tool is very fast? Because the modeling which we have done is chunk based file reading, and because of that a big amount of data can be processed very fast. The statistical method which is used is Benford and IQR. The UI which you can see, for that we have used Tkinter, and JSON and CSV export for audit working papers are already there, and these are professionally usable. This software can also be upgraded to many more use case levels, but this is entry level kind of thing. Now we'll go through the live walkthrough of the software. Here in this software, this is the first page, which upon the execution you can see there is this upload button. You can also drag and drop your file. So here I've got this sales term. This is 50,000 rows processed within some seconds. Now here you have got some data mapping. So here it's saying invoice number. I know for that matter that billing document number is invoice number. Date is billing date. So something which it will automatically understand, like customer. So this is perfect. Which it doesn't understand, you have to just select. This is the row headers. So it is automatically detecting what it could be. Where it doesn't, you are getting a rough idea about what it is. So this is how the data will look. It is just a preview, just how you can see it in the Power Query. Then just click on Run Forensic Analysis. It will do entire analysis. So this is the dashboard. How many flag transactions are there? What are the high risk indicators? What is the total amount which is tagged? Unique parties, how many? And through different analysis and outliers, what are the top findings? So these are invoice splitting, duplicate detection, and all that. If you go to the findings section, so it will give you header wise findings. What are the findings exactly and all that. Then we come to the evidence. So evidence you require actual line items where there is issue. So this is the place where you can get a preview about and you can export entire thing into the CSV. CSV I have kept just because if the items run into more number of line items which Excel cannot support, so that is why CSV is the output here. Sampling. Now the problem which many chartered accountants face is how to select the samples. There should be some sort of mind which we can put into it at the time of sampling. So we've got random sampling, monetary unit sampling, high risk sampling, top value sampling, stratified by month, stratified by party. What kind of sample size you require, and you have to just click on the generate audit sample. The moment you do that, you will get a proper sampling list with application of mind by the tool, so there will not be any human biasness, there will not be ununiformity in the auditing because it will be uniform all over your firm. And you can document this as well, that you have sampled on the basis of this particular site, and on the basis of that you can do the sampling, and you can document it and you can do your audit work. Next is AI Insight. Now, the earlier tabs were giving you directly, what are the items which have been evidenced, what are the findings, etc. But if you want to put it in a very professional narrative manner, or you want to submit this report to someone, how will you do that? You have to just click generate with AI. So whatever is the observation of that thing, which you need to document it in a very structured way, this particular item will give it to you. You have to just click generate. So forensic report or your observation report, executive summary, etc., etc. What all the type of sampling, what are the potential splitting and all that. What are the recommendation? It will also give you the recommendation. So for your forensic audit or internal audit, things are completely ready. You can go to the export section where you can export each and every item. Here you also get an option called generate full report. So this is the full report. It will be generated in the HTML form, and upon execution of that, if you just click on this, a very beautifully designed analysis report with timestamp and everything will be available, and so it is completely management ready summation report. So this is all about the tool, and finally this AI engine uses all these results and it writes a professional narrative. So this is going to help us in the report as well. If I just summarize everything, what this project demonstrates, it demonstrates advanced Python data engineering, real forensic audit logic, AI integration, professional software design, and commercial usability. If I want to deploy it further, I can always put some cryptography in this, I can put some activation keys and all that, and this will be completely commercially ready available tool for us. So this is Forensic Flagger AI, a tool designed to bring AI powered forensic intelligence into the audit profession. Thank you very much.